Alright, we're here at the shops at Wiregrass, here in Wesley Chapel, Florida, outside the parking garage. And in here we have a couple of elevators to ride. There's your MPE, and right behind it is the first elevator. And guess what? It's a KONE. KONE with KSS 370. Well, the two. Second floor. Back down to one, door close button works. Pretty basic parking garage elevator, nothing really exciting other than having glass doors. There's your smashed up certificates. And here we're back at one. These are your buttons. And your floor indicator capacity is 2,500. And now we're back up to two and watch through the doors. And here we're back at two. And there goes elevator number one, which is right by Macy's. Alright, now we're going to go to the next elevator, which is right over there. That's a nice Dodge Charger right there. And here we have elevator number two, in between Dillard's and Macy's. Looks like we got another KONE with KSS 370 to ride. And it's sitting up here waiting for me. Down one. Indicator status, we'll watch through the doors. We're back at one. Back at two. We'll get our cabby going out. Just like the other one I filmed, very basic parking garage elevators. Certificate there, your glass doors, your dead floor indicator. I assume this has a 2,500 pound capacity as well. And these are your replacement buttons. Look at that one button, that's interesting. So it makes a 500 and 370 all at the same time. Watch this elevator go down. There goes the elevator going down. And now on to the third and final elevator, right by Dillard's. As you can tell, this is quite a big garage. I don't see any other elevators across from this garage. So my assumption is there are only 3 elevators in this garage. And here is the third and final elevator. This button has received a 500 replacement. The majority of the buttons on these elevators are intact. Number one. So I point the camera away, there's a lady right there. And here are two. While we're up here, we'll get a quick cab view. It's just like the other two elevators, very basic parking garage elevators with glass doors. These are your Kansas 370 buttons, except the alarm button has been replaced with a 500 button along with the phone button, which is a 570. Your flow indicator, 2500 pound capacity, and your certificates. And now let's end at 1 and watch the doors. There's no fan in this elevator, so you clearly hear the EcoSpace. And there goes the elevator, and that'll be it.